Hello, this lecture will be going over our aluminum lathe part. It's our first part that we've done in aluminum, so your RPMs are going to be quite higher. One thing that inside your G71 with that, I would probably cap your RPMs. Remember, that's at G50, S maybe 5,000 RPMs. It doesn't take much to get it up there with such a small diameter part with aluminum using 5, 6, 7, 800 surface feet per minute. So still want to use your G96, but make sure we cap our RPMs at around 5,000. So as far as programming a part, that's really about the only thing you have to keep in mind. Now that you're doing that, notice you have this drilled hole through the center, okay, and then we also have a threaded portion on that outside, okay. And the other thing is that you're going to be doing is you're going to be cutting this part off with your groove tool at that length. Now notice down here it says start with a piece long enough to cut 4 parts off, maximum length 16 inches. So don't go any longer than 16 inches, but don't go cut a piece that's maybe, don't go cutting a piece that's 2.5 inches long. So your goal is not to make 4 parts. Our goal is to make one good part. The problem is that we have to make multiple, none of these dimensions, all of these, I should say, all of these dimensions, your threads and everything should be made on your first attempt. You should be good enough at the CNC and the offsets by now to hit all those. But where it does and where multiple parts need to be made is when you cut this off to establish that 1.25. So you might have to make an adjustment to that groove tool to establish that 1.25 length. So when you go through and you're drilling, your manual goes through and the drill cycles for the G81. You have your center drill, and you're going through that. This is made to cut off here. That diameter is such that where our normal groove tool that's in our lathes will handle that no problem, so that you don't have to install a special groove tool or cutoff tool for that. So that'll work that way. Some of the machines are set up with parts catchers. If you find one that I can help you program that in, that actually can be programmed in with a parts catcher comes up underneath it, it catches the part and spits it out in front of you. Otherwise, you just kind of dig around in the machine to find it after it cuts off. So that's pretty much that part. So if you have any questions, please come and see me. Otherwise, good luck.